Hello, my name is Rika Nereninta, and I would like to introduce our research called Effect of Extraction Method on the Flavonoid Contents of Potential Medicinal Plants Phyllanthus niruri. Phyllanthus niruri or meniran is part of the Euphorbiaceae family, a plant with various ingredients that are beneficial to health. Meniran contains various kinds of chemical compounds and widely used in the form of extracts to get its health benefit. Regarding of that, the drying process is important part in meniran to maintain the quality of plant extracts by reducing the water content to prevent the growth of microorganisms and minimize the alteration of active ingredients in plants. So, in this study, we want to investigate the effect of drying methods and incubation temperature on the flavonoid content of Phyllanthus niruri. For sample preparation, we're using 3 different drying methods, which are fresh dried, oven dried, and air dried. After that, we extract the sample using pure methanol, and we're using 2 different incubation times, which are 24 hours in -4 degrees Celsius and 1 hour in room temperature. For flavonoid analysis, we're using spectrophotometer at wavelength range between 400 to 800 nanometers, and we're using quercetin as standard. To detect flavonoids, we're using aluminum chloride colorimetric assay, and to calculate the flavonoid, we're using total flavonoid content formula. And to analyze the data, we're using RStudio application. For sample condition, before extraction, we can see a slightly different color between oven-dried samples and air-dried samples. And after extractions, we can see the air-dried samples and oven-dried samples having a slightly darker color than fresh-dried samples. For detection the quercetin, we're using 80 ppm of quercetin standard to detect at the spectrophotometer, and we're able to detect the quercetin at wavelength at 432 nanometers. After that, we're making the calibration curve, and we're able to having result the correlation of coefficient at 0.98, which is more than 95%. So based on this calibration equation, we're able using this method to calculate the quercetin concentration of this sample. For flavonoid test results, air-dried method have the highest concentration of flavonoid in both incubation conditions. As we can see, the air drying method having the highest flavonoid content, while in yield, the fresh drying having the highest yield among the other drying methods. Fresh dried method having significantly different compared to air dried and oven dried method on the total flavonoid content versus drying method for room temperature incubation. As we can see, the fresh drying method having the lowest flavonoid content, while the air dried method having the highest flavonoid content. Fresh dried method having significantly different compared to oven dried method. We can see the oven drying method having the lowest yield compared to other drying methods. And we can see the fresh drying method having the highest yield compared to other drying methods. In total flavonoid content versus drying method for cold incubation, we can see there are no significantly different between all drying methods, despite the fresh drying method having the lowest total flavonoid contents compared to other drying methods. Also, there are no significantly different between all drying methods on yield versus drying method for cold incubation. Incubation temperature is not significantly different from yield at yield on various incubation methods, despite the room temperature incubation having slightly lower on yield compared to cold incubation method. The incubation temperature was not significantly different from the total flavonoid content on various incubation methods. Drying method differs significantly different on yield. As we can see, the fresh drying method having the highest yield, while the oven drying method have the lowest yield. Drying methods differ significantly different on flavonoid contents. And as we can see, the fresh drying method having the lowest flavonoid content. Incubation temperatures have no significant difference in yield and flavonoid contents, but the drying methods show otherwise. There is no interaction between the drying method and incubation temperature. Dried and oven-dried samples incubated at room temperature produce higher yield and flavonoid content than those incubated at -4 degrees Celsius, having a similar pattern. To conclude, we recommend using a dried method with incubation on room temperature for producing highest flavonoid content based on this research. Thank you.